Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best digital pianos that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, we've got something for everyone. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Casio Privia PX870. This digital piano is a true standout for those who prioritize authenticity and high-end sound quality. Its 88-key Tri-Sensor 2 scaled hammer action keyboard offers an unparalleled level of realism, with simulated ebony and ivory textures that feel just like an acoustic piano. The AIR sound source simulates damper and string resonance, delivering a rich, immersive grand piano experience. With a powerful 40-watt 4-speaker system, your music will fill any room effortlessly. The PX870 is built with a sleek and elegant console design, making it a perfect addition to any home. Features like duet mode, dual headphone jacks, and concert play with orchestral backing tracks make it ideal for students and teachers alike. However, its hefty 75.6-pound weight makes it less portable compared to other models. This is a great choice for someone looking for a high-quality home digital piano, but its price and bulk might not appeal to everyone. Pros include its premium build, incredible sound quality, and educational features. The cons? Limited portability and a price point that's on the higher side of the scale. If you're serious about piano and want a professional feel, this is a great option. At number 4, we have the Roland FP10. Don't let the entry-level tag fool you. This digital piano packs a punch. Featuring Roland's supernatural sound engine, the FP10 delivers a remarkably rich and expressive tone. The 88-key hammer action keyboard with progressive weighting lets you play with incredible nuance, making it perfect for both beginners and intermediate players. The Bluetooth MIDI connectivity is a standout feature, allowing you to connect wirelessly to apps for lessons or creative projects. Design-wise, the FP10 is sleek and compact, making it a great choice for smaller spaces. It also includes a headphone jack for quiet practice and a twin piano mode, which is excellent for side-by-side lessons. However, its onboard speakers, while clear, lack the full-bodied sound of more powerful setups. The FP10 is a fantastic all-around instrument for those who want professional-grade features like weighted keys and app connectivity without breaking the bank. Pros include its authentic key action and Bluetooth functionality, while cons include its less powerful speakers and a somewhat limited sound library. If you're looking for a reliable, versatile digital piano that won't overwhelm your budget, this is a solid pick. Taking the third spot is the Yamaha P45B, an excellent choice for intermediate players seeking a refined playing experience. This digital piano features Yamaha's graded hammer standard, GHS action, where the keys are heavier in the lower range and lighter in the higher range, emulating the feel of an acoustic grand piano. It's equipped with 88 fully weighted keys and 10 high-quality voices, including samples from Yamaha's renowned acoustic pianos. The P45B shines in its simplicity and classic design, making it an ideal home piano. The dual-mode functionality allows you to layer 2 voices, such as piano and strings, for a richer sound. While it lacks some advanced features like app connectivity or Bluetooth, it compensates with its authentic playing feel and impressive sound quality. Weighing 25.3 pounds, it's portable enough for gigs or lessons. The pros? A highly realistic key action and Yamaha's trusted sound quality. The cons? Its fewer built-in voices and lack of modern connectivity options. If you're someone who values authenticity over extras, the Yamaha P45B will not disappoint. At number 2, we have the Alesis Melody 61 MK4, a fantastic budget option for beginners. Priced at just $114.99, this keyboard offers an impressive 300 built-in sounds and 300 accompaniment rhythms, making it a playground for creativity. The Melody 61 comes with a full accessory bundle, including a stand, bench, headphones, and a tablet/sheet music stand. Everything you need to get started right out of the box. The keyboard is lightweight and portable, weighing only 6.6 pounds, and can run on batteries, making it ideal for on-the-go practice. The built-in speakers are decent for its price, and the USB MIDI connectivity adds a layer of versatility for those exploring digital recording or educational software. However, the 61 non-weighted keys make it less suitable for those seeking a true piano feel. Pros include its affordability, portability, and feature-rich package. Cons include its lightweight keys and lower build quality. This is a perfect pick for beginners who want a cost-effective way to explore music. Finally, at number 1, we have the Rock Jam 61-key touch display keyboard piano kit. This premium option, priced at $159.99, offers an incredible combination of functionality, design, and value. The 61 full-size keys provide a traditional piano feel, and the touchscreen interface is a game-changer, offering easy access to 200 rhythms, 200 sounds, and 30 demo songs. It also includes recording and playback functions, plus MIDI output for seamless integration with digital workstations like Ableton or Logic. The Rock Jam comes as a complete package, including a sturdy stand, a padded bench, headphones, a sustain pedal, and even piano note stickers for beginners. It's versatile, portable, and packed with features that cater to both novice and advanced players. While its 61 keys may not satisfy those seeking an 88-key experience, its overall value is unmatched. Pros include its feature-rich design, touch display, and comprehensive accessories. The only con is its lack of weighted keys, which may limit its appeal to serious pianists. Whether you're a beginner or an intermediate player looking for a versatile and fun instrument, the Rock Jam is our top recommendation. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.